What is up, my peoples? Welcome back to another video, guys. I am doing an unboxing of my bookshelf, which I mentioned yesterday in yeah, I mentioned it yesterday in my video. I haven't posted it yet, but I will today. I just have to edit it. But anyways, I have my bookshelf here that I'm going to be unboxing, and I'll show you where it's gonna go in a second. It's still in the box. This is the box right here. As you can see, my room is still messy, but here it is, right there. Right there. Hi guys, I'm on the floor. I keep looking over here because that's what the camera thing is, but lens are right here. I'm supposed to be looking right here and not over there. But anyways, I'm on the floor and I'm about to, I don't know why I'm on the floor, this is weird, but I'm about to get some scissors and we can unbox this thing. So let me go get scissors. I will be right back. About that. Oh my god, look at all this. Look, I got these. I got these two things and then all of these screws to go in this lovely bookshelf. And over the directions. Okay, it's gonna take me 50 minutes, almost an hour to do this thing. Read each step carefully before starting. It is important that each step is performed correct in order to avoid difficulties. Okay, what do I do now? Okay. I need, but these don't even have freaking letters on it. Let me see. They really don't have letters, and it's like, yeah, I ain't do nothing. Well, I know the little one are E. The little ones are E's. They don't say what these big ones are because they don't have the letters on them. Oh yeah, it does on the sides. They could have just put it on the big side and it would have been easier. So I need C and D. So I'll start with that. C and D. So I know this is A. Then, what is this? Oh god. I can't. The heck? Okay, this is D. So I need D. And then is it C and D? So let's see. Hi guys. I'm all twisted up on my bed right now because I'm laying all weird. Oh. Okay. But I took my bonnet off. I just don't want my hair to be all over the place, but I don't really care now. It's like space buns, or just my fuzzies are popping out right here on the sides. But I Phoenix, what the heck is Phoenix? I finished the bookshelf and I'm all done. So I can show you guys what it looks like. And don't mind my room, I'm still getting it together, and I have one more thing coming in the mail, one more big thing. So yeah. Okay, turn you around so y'all can see the bookshelf. Don't mind my room. I'm so sorry. Like, my niece was playing with this everywhere. I was undoing those bins over there, those green bins. I was undoing those, taking all that stuff out, the glue. My cupboard's closed. It's just a mess. So I know I'm never messy like this at all. Those black things are my old bookshelf, and here's my regular bookshelf right there. There it is. Finished product. Okay, then I'm gonna do a close-up overview so y'all can see everything on it. So yeah. Okay guys, I am officially done with this bookshelf, and I hope you guys like the bookshelf. I bought these those green buckets I showed you guys earlier. I bought those because I thought they were gonna fit on the bookshelf, but they don't, and I'm so sad about it. I'm gonna have to buy like some. I don't even think they have tiny ones for that. But anyways, yeah. I hope you guys liked it, and please make sure to give it a thumbs up and like the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, you know, usual stuff you do, and I'll see y'all in my next video, which will probably be Thursday, because I'm getting my bed frame and I want you guys to see it. So I'll see y'all on Thursday. Bye guys.